You've got to visit the Schunk stand at MACH 2022. They're going to have a huge array of products. So what trends are you seeing in the industry now, Marcel?
So you know us probably as a specialist for work holding or automation. The trend now is the combination of them both. So our know-how in 0 point and work holding combined with our automation expertise is bringing us amazing solutions in machine tending, like this pallet handling solution, and that's what we're going to have on the show. So we will have a big cell simulating the machine tending with changing of work holdings and post-work with material removal. The ultimate solution for machine productivity.
Literally cannot wait. Look, come to the stand at MACH, of course, but if you can't make it, we're going to be going live on the MTDCNC channels on Thursday afternoon. Can't wait.